Alright folks, let's talk about something that's causing quite a stir in the political circles. Auxilia Mnangagwa, Zimbabwe's First Lady, has just been awarded a PhD from Midlands State University. But there's a cloud of controversy hanging over her cap and gown. Now, let's get into the heart of the matter. Many citizens are questioning the legitimacy of her degree. Why? Well, the fact that her husband, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, was the one to cap her has raised quite a few eyebrows. It's not every day you see a sitting president personally involved in an academic ceremony, especially for a family member. Let's dive deeper. Critics argue that there's a conflict of interest here. They point out that Midlands State University is a public institution, and the First Lady's close ties to the highest office in the land might have played a role in her academic success. They're asking tough questions. Was the PhD earned through rigorous academic work, or was it a political favor? On the other side, supporters of the First Lady insist that she has worked hard for her degree. They highlight her charitable work and initiatives, suggesting that her contributions warrant such recognition. They argue that her achievements should not be overshadowed by her husband's position. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Reports suggest that there might be discrepancies in the timeline of her academic work. Some sources claim that the process was expedited unusually quickly. This has fueled further speculation about whether proper academic protocols were followed. So, what's the takeaway here? The awarding of Auxilia Mnangagwa's PhD raises important questions about the intersection of politics and academia in Zimbabwe. It highlights the need for transparency and accountability, especially when it comes to public institutions. In the end, the truth might be elusive, but one thing is clear: this controversy isn't going away anytime soon. It's a reminder that in the world of politics, nothing is ever as straightforward as it seems. Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis on political happenings around the globe. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.